Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Italian Faves series. I had some leftover lobster after making my Lobster Flan, which is lesson 78 in my Learning to Cook Like a Pro cooking course. So I started thinking about what to do with it. Pasta was an obvious choice. I chose farfalle, but just about any pasta would do. We also had a boatload of fresh spinach leaves and some cherry tomatoes that I just harvested from the garden, and some pappadoux peppers. This random availability of ingredients resulted in an excellent palette of tastes. The sweetness of the lobster, the tomato, and the pappadoux, the acidity of the latter two, the slight spiciness of the pappadoux, the bitterness of the spinach, umami everywhere, all balanced with a little salt. This happy accident was a taste buds pleaser. So let's start cooking. Okay, tonight we're going to make lobster with spinach and farfalle pasta. You could use a different pasta. You could use penne, for example. You could even use a long pasta if you like. First thing we're going to do is bring the water for the pasta to a boil. Okay, now we're going to add the pasta to the boiling water. If it doesn't look like I'm making enough for two, it's true. I'm only making for one tonight. But the quantities in the description, the notes that come with the video, are correct for two people. Now, we're going to let this cook until about a minute shy of al dente. Now, this is farfalle. And normal cooking time for al dente is about 11 to 12 minutes. So we're going to let this cook for about 11 minutes. Okay, while the pasta is cooking, we're going to melt the butter in our pan. And we're using a pan large enough to cook our other ingredients, our lobster and our spinach, and also large enough to put the pasta back into this pan at the end. Okay, it's been about a minute. Remember, we're just kind of warming it up, okay? And now we're going to add the spinach. And some kosher salt, lightly. You can always add more. Freshly ground black pepper. And we're going to stir it up a bit. Reduce the heat down to low. And we're going to cover it for about 30 seconds while that spinach wilts. Okay, our spinach has wilted. Just going to mix it up a little bit. All right, now what we're going to do is take this off the heat because this is finished before the pasta is. So we're just going to keep it covered, take it off the heat until the pasta is finished cooking. Okay, our pasta was cooking about 11 minutes. Now we're going to run it under cold water to stop the cooking. Okay, we've returned our pan with the lobster and the spinach to low heat. Okay, we're going to add the pasta to the pan. Get it all in there, all right? And we're going to stir it up. And we're going to add the pappadoux peppers and the cherry tomatoes. Why are we adding these at the end? Because I don't really want them to cook. I just want them to warm up, okay? We're going to add just a little bit more salt because we didn't salt the pasta and we also didn't salt the pappadoux or the cherry tomatoes. And we're going to add just a little bit more freshly ground black pepper. Okay. Then we're going to drizzle it with some olive oil. Not a lot. How much? About a tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Stir it up. Now we're just going to cover it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to plate up. Okay, now let's plate up. Like I said, I made enough for one, generous amount for one actually. But I'm hungry and it's perfect. Okay, so there we go. That is lobster and spinach with farfalle. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.